Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and today we are going to be reviewing one of the most anticipated products of 2025, and that is Contour from Rare Beauty. If you guys know, Rare Beauty already has their liquid blush, their liquid highlighter, so the one liquid product that was missing was a contour. Now they do have an amazing bronzer stick, but again that didn't fit the liquid formula, so we are going to be reviewing the new liquid contours from Rare Beauty. They did send me the 3 darkest shades, which first of all, please take a second for this shade range. There are 7 shades total in the collection. I only have the last 3, but I'm going to do some swatches for you guys and of course do a demo so you can see how it looks on the skin. We have Tranquil, Peaceful, and Sublime. The first shade we have here is Tranquil. This is how Tranquil looks. If you are my skin tone a little bit lighter or even a little bit darker, I would probably recommend this as your contour shade. The next shade that we have is the shade Peaceful. That is how the shade Peaceful looks. And lastly, the darkest shade in the entire collection, the shade Sublime. That is how Sublime looks on me. I truly feel that everyone can find their contour shade with this shade range. I'm so impressed by Rare Beauty, but I would also genuinely never expect anything less from Selena. Tranquil, this shade right here, is my contour shade, so let's try that on. All right, I brought you guys in just a little bit closer so that you can really see how it's looking on the skin. Also, if you hear my dog walking in the background, just ignore it. He's just chilling with me. If you don't know, my dog's name is Teddy. He is 10 months old. My entire world. All right, so as per her campaigning process, what you're supposed to do with this is use 2 dots and then blend it out, and you're supposed to have the best contour ever. So we're gonna be doing 1 dot, 2 dot, just like that. So I have tried a couple brushes to blend this product out, and I found that my favorite is a big buffy blending brush like this with a smaller side on the end if you're going to use it for your nose or any other smaller areas. This one's actually a really affordable one by e.l.f. So I'm going to turn to the side, that way you guys can really see how this contour product is working. And the way that I like to do it is I will go in kind of circles like this. As a person of color, I know the struggle of how hard it is to find a cool tone contour product for brown skin, which is why this product was so anticipated and also so loved by the makeup community. Okay, that's how the product is looking all blended out. I'm also going to apply some to my jawline. Also, when you're using this product, please make sure do not use more than 2 dots. I tried it with 3, it's way too much. And again, just buffing it in circular motions like this is the best way to get the best blend and the most out of the product that you're putting down. All right, so I have the product on this side of my face, but nothing on this side of my face. I just want you guys to be able to see how it looks. Personally, I can really see how this side of my face looks super chiseled and really pulled in. My features are really defined. Also gives my face a little bit of dimension, which I love. I truly think that because this product is so easy to blend out, so easy to use, it's perfect for any beginners out there who just want to start building their makeup kit. But also if you're a lover of makeup like me, or if you're just always in a rush, again, another product like this, I don't want to be blending for 17 hours. I'm gonna put the product on the other side so that you guys can really see how everything's looking, but I also want to mention the only things on my face right now are the Rare Beauty foundation and the Rare Beauty concealer. I'll put my shades up for both right here. I literally have to do like no work. I'm just going in circular motions and the product is doing all the work for me. That's what makeup should feel like, and that's what I think Rare Beauty in general feels like to me. It's always been a beginner-friendly makeup brand that I've recommended to everyone. And I really think that that's why they gain their popularity. They make makeup easy to use, which is how it should be. For the past week, I have not used any other contour product, even bronzer, because I love this product so much. You guys, I'm just filming this after, but I finished my blush and my highlighter along with the contour so that you guys can see how a full face of makeup is now looking on my skin. And I'm so glad that now the Rare Beauty liquid trilogy is complete. We have the liquid blush, liquid highlighter, and now liquid contour. Okay, let's go to the outro. All right, you guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. I am really obsessed with this product, as you can tell. One thing I will never turn down when a makeup product makes my life easier, it's immediately something that I will always recommend to people, and this is gonna be stuck at the back of my head now. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna be picking it up? Are you skipping this one? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.